नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल। मैं लीना केवी भद्रक के इस ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म से अपने अतिथि महोदय, प्रधानाचार्य जी, शिक्षकगण, अभिभावकों और मेरे प्यारे बच्चों का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करती हूँ इस राष्ट्रीय खेल दिवस के अवसर पर। आप सभी आज यहाँ एकत्रित हुए हैं, भले ही अपने अपने घर में, लेकिन यही तो इम्पोर्टेंट बात है। अपने अपने घरों में ही सही, फिर भी हम साथ हैं। आज के हमारे मुख्य अतिथि हैं श्री चंद्रशेखर टुडू जी, जो एक नेशनल लॉन्ग जंप प्लेयर हैं और हमारे केवी भद्रक के एक्स स्टूडेंट हैं। मैं आपका पुनः इस कार्यक्रम में स्वागत करती हूँ। मिलके करें एक नई शुरुआत, आइए मिलके करें एक नई शुरुआत। वक्त कैसा भी हो, ठान लिए हमने ये बात। 2020 का ये नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे, 2020 का ये नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे मनेगा कुछ खास, जब सिर्फ बच्चे ही नहीं, उनके पेरेंट्स भी लेंगे इसमें पार्ट। तो करते हैं आगाज और इस दिन की इम्पोर्टेंस बताने आ रहे हैं हमारे केवी भद्रक के फिजिकल हेल्थ एंड एजुकेशन टीचर मिस्टर भानुचंद्र। प्लीज वेलकम हिम।
Respected principal ma'am, respected teachers, dear students and parents, because of this COVID-19 outbreak, this year we are celebrating online National Sports Day. It is an honor for me to give a speech on Major Dhyanchand. National Sports Day is celebrated on birth anniversary of Major Dhyanchand. Dhyanchand was born on 29th August 1905 in Allahabad. His father was Subedar in Indian Army and he played hockey for India. Due to his father's numerous transfers, Dhyanchand had to terminate his education after 6 years of schooling. Young Dhyanchand is now interested in hockey and he is more interested in wrestling. Dhyanchand decided to join in the Indian Army at the age of 16 and he started playing hockey. Dhyanchand's actual name is Dhyan Singh. Chand means moon in Hindi. Dhyanchand used to practice a lot during night after his duty hours, and he waits moon to come out for improved visibility in the field. So, hence his friends called him Chand. This shows how dedicated he is. In 1928, India decided to send you best team to Olympics. And Dhyanchand is one of the member of the team. And India played first match against Australia and won the match by 6-0. And Dhyanchand scored 3 goals in it. And India reached to final and played against Netherlands, won the match by 3-0. And Dhyanchand scored 2 goals. Dhyanchand is the top scorer in the tournament. He scored 14 goals in 5 matches. And India won the first gold medal in Olympics. News reports about India said there is not a game of hockey but magic. Dhyanchand, in fact, is the magician of hockey. The team kept their winning tempo going. In 1932 Olympics, again India reached to final, won the match against USA by 24-1. Dhyanchand and his brother Roop Singh scored 25 goals out of 35 in the tournament. This is the second time India won gold medal. In 1934, Dhyanchand appointed as a Indian captain. In 1936, Olympics, again India reached to final, won the match against Germany by 8-1 and Dhyanchand scored a hat-trick. Adolf Hitler, who is present in the ground at the time, he left in midway, could not bear to see his team being defeated. Later, Adolf Hitler expressed a desire to meet Dhyanchand and offered colonel rank in German army and play for his country. Dhyanchand refused. This was his love and loyalty for the country. In 1956, at the age of 51, Dhyanchand retired from Indian Army with the rank of Major. In the same year, Government of India honored him with Padma Bhushan, the India's third highest civilian award. His 22 years of hockey career, he scored 400 goals, and he is the main player to win 3 gold medals in 1928, 32 and 36 Olympics. India's highest award for lifetime achievement in sports is Dhyanchand Award. The National Stadium in Delhi was named Dhyanchand National Stadium in 2002 in his honor. The Australian cricket legend is a big fan of Dhyanchand. After watching his action, Broadman remarked, "He scores goals like runs in cricket." Dhyanchand is always teaches his children not to leave anything unfinished. But later part of his life, he faced lot of health problems and he died of liver cancer in 1979, December 3rd, in AIIMS Hospital, Delhi. I felt everyone must know about this hockey wizard. National Sports Day is mainly celebrated every year to motivate younger generation towards sports and fitness. Government of India is also introducing many programs like Fit India Movement or Fit India Freedom Run, Swasth Bachche Swasth Bharat. The programs are introducing for motivate for fitness for children. So I also request every parent to encourage their children towards games and sports. So this is the right situation for everyone to realize about the fitness and health. So I request all of you to do at least for 20 minutes of exercises every day. So it is difficult to go out and do any activity because of this pandemic situation. And yoga is the best way to practice at home. I once again request all of you to do at least 20 minutes of physical activity every day to keep you fit and healthy. Thank you. हम fit है तो इंडिया fit है. Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच सर, जितना ब्यूटीफुली सर ने आपको इस दिन की और स्पोर्ट्स की इम्पोर्टेंस बताई, उतने ही ब्यूटीफुली इसे दिखाने आ रहे हैं हमारे केवी भद्रक के डिफरेंट स्पोर्ट्स के लिटिल मास्टर्स. सो प्लीज वेलकम देम.
Now we will do the Ustrasana. कैसे जैसे इंडोर गेम या आउटडोर गेम? इंडोर गेम। वो जो सब चीज है उसका नाम बारे में तुम जानते हैं? क्या क्या बोलो? वो क्या है? सीपी। वो क्या है? घोड़ा। वो क्या है? किंग। वो क्या है? रानी। वो क्या है? हॉर्स। वो जो सब वो नाम क्या है? सैनिक, सोल्जर। ठीक है, चलिए तुम पहला नेक्स्ट।
तो देखा आप सबने कि इन बच्चों ने हमें बता दिया, भले ही खेल का मैदान ना मिले, भले ही खेल का मैदान ना मिले या हो घर की चार दीवारी, रोक ना पाएगा कोई हमें स्वस्थ रहने से, रोक ना पाएगा कोई हमें स्वस्थ रहने से, अगर ले हम अपने स्वास्थ्य की जिम्मेदारी, हम अपने स्वास्थ्य की जिम्मेदारी। तो अब मैं इस कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाती हूँ और रश्मिका मैम को आमंत्रित करती हूँ कि वो इस दिन से संबंधित हमारे बच्चों के ज्ञान का वर्धन करें।
Namaskar. It is an honor for me to speak on National Sports Day. Every year on 29th August, we celebrate National Sports Day to honor the legendary hockey player Major Dhyan Chand, who is also known as the Wizard or the Magician of Hockey. Major Dhyan Chand has won 3 gold medals in hockey in the Olympic Games during his career. That was the time, the pre-independence era, when India became famous internationally in the field of sports. Every year, the government of India awards the prominent sporting personalities on this day with elite awards like Dronacharya Award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Arjuna Puraskar, and Dhyan Chand Award. Now, what is the importance of this day? Apart from honoring Major Dhyan Chand, the other importance of this National Sports Day is to create awareness among the youth and in public in general about the importance of games and sports activities in daily life. Sports and games activities strengthens the physical and mental strength of a person. Also, playing outdoor games and sports develops the team spirit and builds confidence among the students. Sports and games also have therapeutic action on the physical and mental health of the children. The persons who are playing everyday games and sports, they will never suffer from depression. They will always remain happy with a positive attitude towards their life. And also games and sports develop the immunity power of the body. Nowadays, because of the development of technologies and availability of smartphones, many of the children, students, they are going away from the physical activities, games and sports and spending their time on online gaming and videos, which is actually causing a lot of harm to them. So now it's high time that we, the people in general, the teachers, the parents, should play role model for our students and motivate them for games and sports activities. We ourselves also every day spend some time on sports because sports are considered as the alternative ways of doing exercise. Nowadays, sports and games also have good career options. So I will request the students that they should every day at least spend 1 hour in physical activities. They should engage themselves in sports activities. Now, in this COVID pandemic time, it is also very essential that we must keep ourselves fit and healthy and develop our immunity power by playing sports. That's all. Thank you.
इस कोरोना की सिचुएशन में मजबूत हमारे इरादे हैं। इस कोरोना की सिचुएशन में मजबूत हमारे इरादे हैं। स्टे फिट और स्टे हेल्दी के, स्टे फिट और स्टे हेल्दी के हमने खुद से किए जो वादे हैं, इन वादों को पूरा कर हम औरों को बतलाएंगे इस स्पोर्ट्स डे के अवसर पर। इस स्पोर्ट्स डे के अवसर पर हम सबको जागरूक बनाएंगे। इस कोरोना वायरस की सिचुएशन में आप सभी ने अपने आप को हेल्दी और फिट रखने के भरपूर प्रयास किए हैं। अपने जीवन के उन्हीं अनुभवों को लेकर आ रही हैं हमारी केंद्रीय विद्यालय भद्रक की एक छात्रा। सो प्लीज वेलकम हर।
It is aptly said that health is wealth. Being physically fit is the ultimate path to success and prosperity. With this, it's me Sipra Das, and I am a student of class 10 from Kendriya Vidyalaya Bhadrak. I take the opportunity to speak on the topic the importance of physical fitness in today's scenario when the world is dominated by the COVID-19 virus. Physical fitness is to the human body what fine-tuning is to an engine. It enables one to perform up to one's potential. It enables one to function with vigor and with alertness, without undue fatigue, and with ample energy to participate and to engage in leisure activities or physical activities. If a person is physically fit, the coarsest food tastes sweet to him. Ordinary clothes lend charm to his personality. In stark contrast, if a person is unwell, if a person is lethargic, or a hypochondriac person may have immense wealth and skyscraper building, but he is deprived of all the happiness and peace. Physical fitness involves the performance of the heart, the lungs, and the muscles of our body. As we know, whatever we do with our body, it affects our mind. That means, in some extent, physical fitness also enhances our emotional stability. If we are physically fit, then we can deal with this coronavirus better. An hour of regular exercise can ensure that we are avoiding being afflicted by this fatal disease. As we know, if we are physically fit, then we are not prone to any malady, we are not prone to any chronic disease like diabetes, cancer, etc., etc. That means we are avoiding being afflicted by this coronavirus. So, these are not the only benefits that we are getting from physical fitness. If a person is physically fit, he can also make use of his skill well, and thus he can invent new gizmos and thus accelerate technology of his country. And if our country excels in technological field, then it can become Atmanirbhar, it can become self-reliant. And thus that person accentuates the prosperity of his country. Secondly, in our day-to-day life, we have to face a lot of obstacles, a lot of hurdles. A bee doesn't buzz before it stings. That means obstacles come to our life without any invitation or without any notice. So if a person is physically fit, he can deal with those without any notice. So if a person is physically fit, he can deal with those obstacles well, and he can make use of his wit to deal with them. So if we do regular exercises, if we do regularly yoga, then we can be fit physically. Taking a pill daily doesn't suffice to make a person healthy. A healthy body equips one with a healthy mind, and that person can acquire knowledge not only to earn his bread and butter, but also but also invent new areas of possibilities. So if we are physically fit, then we can enhance our immune system, and thus we can be far away from this fatal disease. So let's work hand in hand. Let's lay our hand forward and do an hour of yoga and exercise, so that we can protect our country, and then we can protect our whole world. I am a student, and I need to be healthy, and I need to be physically fit to study. I am a doctor, and I need to be physically fit to treat my patients. I am a soldier, and I need to be physically fit to protect my motherland. I am a farmer, and I need to be physically fit to cultivate well, and so that I can feed my countrymen. I am a teacher, and I need to be physically fit to teach my students well. So in every way, I have to become physically fit. I have to be healthy to protect my motherland, to make my motherland self-reliant. With this, I conclude that physical fitness is not merely the absence of disease, but also the social and mental well-being of a person. With this, I end my speech and thank you. Jai Hind.
अब मैं अपने माननीय अतिथि महोदय जी को आमंत्रित करती हूँ कि वो इस शुभ अवसर पर हमारे बच्चों का अपने विचारों से मार्गदर्शन करें और अपने जीवन के अनुभव से परिचित कराते हुए उन्हें प्रेरित करें ताकि वो भी अपने लक्ष्यों को सफलतापूर्वक प्राप्त कर पाएं।
चंद्रशेखर टुडू है और मैं एक्स केवियन हूँ केवी भद्रक से। आज हम जानेंगे कि 29 अगस्त नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे के बारे में। राष्ट्रीय खेल दिवस मेजर ध्यानचंद के जयंती पर मनाया जाता है। मेजर ध्यानचंद एक हॉकी प्लेयर थे इंडिया के। उन्होंने इंडिया को ओलंपिक में रिप्रेजेंट किया और 3 गोल्ड मेडल भी जीते हैं। वो वर्ष थे 1928, 1932 एंड 1936। राष्ट्रीय खेल दिवस पर भारत के राष्ट्रपति सारे क्षेत्रों के खिलाड़ियों को और कोचेस को पुरस्कार देते हैं। इस दिन पर अलग अलग पुरस्कार दिए जाते हैं, जैसे कि राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न, अर्जुन अवार्ड और द्रोणाचार्य अवार्ड। भारत में राष्ट्रीय खेल दिवस 2012 से शुरू हुआ और राष्ट्रीय सारे प्रस्थानों में, स्कूलों में, कॉलेज में मनाया जाता है। राष्ट्रीय खेल दिवस का उद्देश्य है कि आजकल के नए युवकों को खेल के प्रति जागरूकता कराया जाए और उन्हें पढ़ाई के साथ साथ खेलों में भी उनको सिखाया जाए और आगे बढ़ने दिया जाए। को खेल के प्रति कुछ फ़ायदे बताता हूँ। खेलने से हमारा दिमाग और शरीर हमेशा अच्छा रहता है और शार्प रहता है और हमारा बोन, जिसे हम हड्डी बोलते हैं शरीर का, वो भी स्ट्रॉन्ग या फिर हम कह सकते हैं मजबूत रहता है और हमें हार्ट से रिलेटेड डिजीज़ नहीं होती।
मैं अपनी प्रधानाचार्य महोदया जी से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वो इस शुभ अवसर पर अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करें और हमारे पूरे केवी भद्रक परिवार को शुभकामनाएं दें।
Dear students, parents and teachers, very good morning to all and happy National Sports Day. Do you know why we celebrate National Sports Day on 29th August every year? Actually, this celebration started in the year 2012 and this is actually the birthday of Major Dhyanchand, the legendary hockey player who was known as Hockey Ka Jadugar and who brought 3 gold medals for India in hockey. But at the same time, this is also a celebration of sportsmanship and sports itself. Now, what is sportsmanship? Now, we all know the health benefits of sports activities, and recently we are more and more aware of that. It keeps us mentally and physically fit, no doubt in that. But when you are actively participating in any sport, this also teaches you how to accept failure in life, how to respect the opponent, and how to respect the rules of the game. And that is what sportsmanship is all about, where winning and losing are not all that important. Important is to play, to enjoy the game. Now that reminds me a very beautiful lines by Phil Knight. It is from his memoir. Phil Knight was the creator of Nike shoes, a very famous personality. Now, somewhere in the book, he writes, if you ever run in a track, you don't have any destination. Now, the act of running itself is the destination, because you know you have to run. You run because you cannot stop. You don't have the alternative of stopping. You run because you enjoy running, not because you'll reach your goal or you'll reach your destination sometime sooner or later. Sports itself should be the enjoyment, the goal. Sportsmanship is what we must learn. And victory, if it comes, it's good. Doesn't come, playing itself is victory. Playing itself is enjoyment. And that should be the spirit we all must have. So now it's a very difficult time for all of us, where it's not possible to physically go out and actively participate in different activities. Though we are conducting Fit India Run to make children realize the importance of physical fitness and make them actively participate in some physical activity, but it is not like the fun they could have when they went out and played with their friends. But still, most important is the spirit. So whether we are confined to our house or we are outside, whether we are with friends or with family, that sportsmanship should be always celebrated. And on this special day, I request my students that this thing should be honored foremost. Whatever be the situation outside, whatever be the fear which is in our mind, whatever the fear which is prevalent everywhere because of the pandemic, the sportsmanship should not die. So all the best to you on the special day. Thank you.
पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो बनोगे नवाब, खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब, पर ये तो ठहरी पुरानी बात। तो फिर आइए सुनते हैं कुछ नई बात। पाना है कोई लक्ष्य, पाना है कोई लक्ष्य तो ले लो इन खेलों का साथ। पाना है कोई लक्ष्य तो ले लो इन खेलों का साथ। स्वस्थ शरीर के साथ, स्वस्थ शरीर के साथ एक स्वस्थ मन का भी करते हैं ये विकास, करते हैं ये विकास। तो इन्हीं पंक्तियों के साथ आप सबसे विदा लेती हूँ और एक बार फिर से आप सभी को तहे दिल से धन्यवाद, क्योंकि आप ही के प्रेजेंस ने इस कार्यक्रम को न केवल संभव बल्कि सफल बनाया है। धन्यवाद एवं शुभ दिन।